This is Nyrica, an electric bicycle, and beautifully the most affordable carbon fiber smart electric bike ever. With 3 model ranges, Street, Street Plus, and Homey, all under $1,000. You can ride Nyrica as a normal bike with the 10-speed Shimano gears, or enjoy the luxury and the real joy of the 500 watts electric hub motor to go further and beyond effortlessly. You can cruise smoothly through your neighborhood at up to 20 miles per hour or 32 kilometers per hour, and with a range of up to 50 miles or 80 kilometers on a single charge. Nyrica makes every journey an exciting experience. Nyrica is a beautifully designed smart e-bike with a very lightweight yet extremely strong monocoque carbon fiber frame and a powerful motor at an affordable price, with unique and recognizable silhouette featuring a cutting-edge technology and packed with mind-blowing options. Nyrica is not a downhill bike, but it doesn't mean we haven't pushed it too hard and break its limits. Introducing Nyrica Heartbeat Assist. When activated, the faster heartbeat you get, the more assist you get from the motor automatically. This mode gives you 3 pedal assist levels based on your heartbeat rate. You can also calibrate the percentage of assist you would like to receive using the Nyrica app.
We have already built several prototypes and been testing them over and over. Now, all we need is your support to start the production and bring the Nyrica to you. Thanks for watching.
Nyrica, the future is here. Let's ride along.
Does your morning look like this? There is a better way, a compromise-free way, one that is sustainable, powerful, and portable. Think it's too good to be true? Think again. This is the world's lightest electric bike. This is Carbo. It's light, it's smart, it's carbon, it's compact. It's Carbo.
Having been in the e-bike industry for many years, we have tackled most of the problems that users and mechanics have mentioned. E-bikes tend to be bulky, heavy, not to mention the bad weight distribution, which compromises your riding experience.
And it's also hard to find after-sales service due to complexity of repairs.
So we have decided to redefine what a folding e-bike should be.
Light, durable, stunning design and functionality. When designing the Carbo, the main challenges were the weight and access to critical electric components. All the components are separate, making it easy to service and upgrade. No special tool required.
Anyone can do it. So we joined forces with the best players in the industry and created a team of manufacturing experts to make Carbo come to life.
Carbon fiber also absorbs vibration, resulting in a more comfortable ride.
Not only is carbon fiber lighter than aluminum, it's also 8 times stronger.
Having the battery in the seat post creates an optimal center of gravity. It's also easily removable for indoor storage or charging.
It's for everyone, everywhere.
How about right home? The smart screen can connect to your phone by Bluetooth and guide you to your destination.
Designed to fit into your life, no learning curve required. Carbo is the perfect urban companion.
Not only do we want to see more people on e-bikes, but we would like to share our passion and experience and create the best e-bike tailored to your needs, engineered for your peace of mind.
Carbo is ready to roll,
Fully functional.
ready for production.
All we need is your support to make this
a reality.
Prime is Delfast's legendary model with the World Guinness record. It has the longest range ever, 245 miles on a single charge with no pedal assistance. This is due to the powerful and reliable battery, which can be recharged in just 5 hours and lasts for 3,000 life cycles. Delfis Prime is a perfect choice for long trips in different weather conditions. The motor, with a maximum power of 1,500 watts, allows to reach the speed of 28 miles per hour. The modular design of the e-bike allows the customization at request, the replacement of the saddle, the attachment stock forks of any level, and other grips. As a result, you will get a unique bike with all your needs in mind, which will serve you for decades. With this security systems, you don't have to worry about the safety of the e-bike. Delfast Prime is equipped with a GPS sensor, an immobilizer, an alarm system with motion sensors, a mobile application for easy control and monitoring bike condition. Have a safe and comfortable ride. Delfis Prime, the range and power you deserve.
Introducing Ampler. Ampler is a smart electric bicycle for the modern commuter. It makes personal transport effortless, cheap, and fast. Ampler's electric assistance takes you further without breaking a sweat, while giving you all the freedom and fun of a regular bicycle. Riding Ampler is hassle-free. You simply cycle. It's effortless. The electric assistance makes pedaling lighter, giving you superpowers and a smile. You can easily pick it up and place it where you need it. Because of clever materials and technology, we've made the bike 35% lighter than the average electric bike. It makes pedaling so easy, even hills become flat. You can bike for 70 kilometers on one charge, and if you need to go even further, it works just like a conventional bicycle, and you simply pedal on. By regulating how hard you pedal, you control the extra oomph. This means you will always have control over the bike. The minimalist looks hold all premium components. We've also made it super affordable by cutting off the distributor network and getting the bike directly to you. All of us in the founding team have been looking for an effortless way to get door-to-door without breaking a sweat. Being avid cyclists, we saw that the only way to introduce an accessible, high-quality, and great-looking electric bike into the world was to build it ourselves. By using premium parts and fitting the battery into the frame, we've come up with a great-looking and lightweight commuter bike that's tons of fun to ride with. All of our bikes are hand-assembled in Europe, and thanks to an already established supply chain, they will be delivered on time.
Help us bring Ampler into production. Be among the first to receive one. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.